AIRBNBची भारतातली पहिली अकादमी गोंयांत सुरू जाता। AIRBNBन हे विशींची पर्यटन खात्या कडेन समजिकायेची कबलात केल्या। गोंयांत होमस्टे पर्यटनाक प्रोत्साहन मेळचें हो हे कबलाती फाटलो मुख्य उद्देश आसा।
We lined up with AIRBNB to set up a lot of things. Sometimes policies and MOUs remain only on paper, but I think this government is driving, because we are quite serious about the thought process of changing the whole perception of Goa, that what it has been and what it should be. If we are talking about regenerative tourism, we are talking about Ekadasha Tirtha, we are talking about connecting the 11 temples, which have a lot of history and tradition. It's time for us to talk much more than what we have had. If we are talking about a culinary, we are talking about inclusivity with the women, then it is the rural areas that we need to focus upon. And that's how I think, as we talk about collaboration, each one needs to work together and take steps together. I'm very happy that AIRBNB is launching their first entrepreneurship academy. I think the first in the country, right? India's first AIRBNB Entrepreneurship Academy here in Goa. This definitely aligns seamlessly with all our goals of fostering entrepreneurship and responsible tourism. Now, by empowering these homestay entrepreneurs, this whole program, I believe, will equip Goans with the skills and knowledge needed to showcase their homes and communities on the global stage. I think we already have it in us. Hospitality, we talk about Atithi Deva Bhava. It's sometimes that we talk about it and sometimes showcasing doesn't happen. Who better can talk about it than the women in the house? So the whole idea was talk about Mahila Shashaktikaran or women entrepreneurship shouldn't be just a statement, but we should have things driven around it. And that's how I think working together, coming with the first AIRBNB Entrepreneurship Academy in Goa, will allow us to work a lot of things ahead. This partnership will ensure that tourism becomes sustainable and inclusive economic engine for Goa.